araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Roy Cruz, ang Property Virtual Assistant, and I belong to Team Prosperity of Human Shelter Realty Corporation. So paano po ako nagsimula sa real estate? I started po on last October of 2023 kasi po nakita ko yung kaibigan ko sa real estate industry, and she's my friend as well sa BPO company. Kaya nainganyo ako to join Shelter Realty Corporation. And I find it na aking another source of income kasi I need extra income to meet my needs, to meet my expectations, and to support my family as well. So, paano ko natutulungan ng aking client? Number one, ready to answer your questions. So, if they ask features, videos, any of the project, so I'm ready to answer those questions. But aside from that, of course, we are here to assist our clients pagdating sa site tripping, sa reservation. Kasama rin po ako doon sa homes para po sa kanilang pag-asikaso ng mga documents. Since I started being PVA this October 2023, so I just have one client po, which is my friend. So they are couple po. Ayun, since they want investment po, kaya po nakita nila yung post ko po sa Facebook, and nainganyo po sila na kumuha po ng isang property sa Blue Tree Residences. Yun po ay located sa Barangay Baasim, San Ildefonso, Bulacan. So nag-send po ako ng quotations at pasok po yun sa kanilang budget. Kaya po, I was able to close a sale on October 24. That was my birthday as well. So, it was like a birthday gift to me. Kaya thankful po ako sa aking mga kaibigan na supportive din sa akin. So, kung kaya ng mga kaibigan ko, alam ko kaya nyo rin magkabahay. So, kung kayo ay naghahanap ng affordable na bahay at lupa sa Bulacan, don't hesitate to chat me sa aking FB account, that is Roy Cruz, or Apex Homes by Roy Cruz, ang aming FB page. You can also contact me at 0927-192-1028. Muli, ako si Roy Cruz, ang inyong trusted property virtual assistant. Ang aming mission ay tulungan kayong magkaroon ng bahay.